is for tiger, strong and bold, stripes on its back, a sight to behold. T is for train, chugging along, clickety-clack, a cheerful song. T is for tree, tall and green, the prettiest shade you've ever seen. T is for turtle, slow but wise, moving gently under sunny skies. T is terrific, fun to say. Let's learn more letters every day.
Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to Funtooze.